To help you make an informed choice and improve your drone flying experience, we have whittled down our list of the finest landing gears for the DJI Mini 4 Pro.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have HeiyRC landing gear. The HeiyRC landing gear is one of the best choices available for landing gear for your DJI Mini 4 Pro. Because this landing gear is made especially for the DJI Mini 4 Pro, your drone will fit and function flawlessly. Its foldable form makes storage simple. The arm can be folded and placed inside a waterproof bag or storage bag without needing to be taken apart, and the bottom has pre-drilled holes that prevent the bottom fill light from being covered. For smoother takeoffs and landings, the Mini 4 Pro extension leg height has been raised by 25 millimeters. This lessens shock and shields the drone's fuselage and gimbal when taking off and landing on uneven surfaces like snow, grass, mud, or gravel. The HeiyRC landing gear's simple installation method is yet another fantastic feature. You can quickly get the landing gear attached to your DJI Mini 4 Pro and start flying with it by following a few easy steps. On number 2, we have Shallowman landing gear. Look no farther than the Shallowman landing gear if you're looking for a dependable and effective landing gear for your DJI Mini 4 Pro. This landing gear is made especially to give your drone great stability and protection, ensuring a flawless landing each and every time. In order to effectively prevent harm to the body and sensor during takeoff and landing, reduce impact, and enable a smooth and clean landing, the foldable landing gear legs extend the drone's distance from the ground by 30 millimeters. Apart from its robustness, the Shaluoman landing gear has a stylish and small appearance. It connects to your DJI Mini 4 Pro with little weight gain and bulk. This implies that you can enjoy the additional stability and protection offered by the landing gear while still retaining the agility and maneuverability of your drone. The Shaluoman landing gear is easy to install. Its simple design makes it easy to attach to your drone in a matter of minutes, so you can start filming amazing footage as soon as you get in the air. On number 3, we have generic landing gear. There are instances when the conventional landing gear solutions for your DJI Mini 4 Pro can surprise you with their quality and performance. Generic landing gears can nevertheless offer your DJI Mini 4 Pro outstanding stability and protection, even though they might not have a unique brand name or be made especially for your drone. The flexibility of generic landing gears is one of their benefits. They can fit a variety of drones, including the DJI Mini 4 Pro, because they weren't created with a particular drone type in mind. This implies that you can keep using the same landing gear even if you eventually upgrade to a different drone. The cost-effectiveness of generic landing gears is another benefit. When compared to branded options, they are frequently more affordable, letting you save some cash without sacrificing quality. Many basic landing gears are nonetheless constructed from sturdy materials that can withstand a range of flying conditions despite their cheaper price. So these are some of the best landing gears to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.